Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Wavetune TV Antenna Indoor HD Antenna. So you might be wondering, what is Wavetune TV Antenna? So this device here is an indoor HD TV antenna designed to receive free over-the-air television broadcasts without requiring a cable or satellite subscription. Now, according to the official website, it supports full HD and 4K broadcasts where available. Now, claims a reception range of up to like 120 miles and is compatible with both smart TVs and older televisions and have a coaxial antenna input. The manufacturer here also states that it provides access to local channels, including news, sports, movies, and entertainment, with no monthly fees. According to the manufacturer, the antenna works by receiving over-the-air broadcast signals transmitted by local TV stations. After connecting it to your television, the TV scans for available digital channels in your area and stores them for viewing. The number of channels you receive depends on the factors such as your location, nearby broadcast hours, terrain, and signal interference. Now, to use the Wavetune TV antenna here, you just need to connect the antenna's coaxial cable to the antenna input on your TV. Now, place the antenna near a window or another location with the best possible reception. Then turn on your TV and open the channel scan or auto program option in the TV settings menu. Wait for the scan to finish, browse the channels that were found. If reception is poor or if some channels are missing, repositioning the antenna and run another channel scan. The official website advertises features such as up to 120 mile claimed reception, full HD and 4K compatibility, plug-and-play installation, unlimited free local channels, and no monthly subscription fees. Pricing and promotions offers may vary over time, so you may need to check their website. And that's essentially how or what the Wavetune TV antenna is. Now, if you're planning on buying this product here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside their official website is highly recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. And this applies for anything that you're trying to buy online. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.